Food remedies for kidney disease. When managing kidney disease, it's important to focus on foods that support kidney function and overall health. Here are 15 healthy foods that are generally considered good choices for people with kidney disease. 1. Red bell peppers, low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6. Red bell peppers also contain fiber and folic acid. 2. Cabbage, packed with vitamins K, C, and B6 as well as fiber. Cabbage is low in potassium, making it kidney-friendly. 3. Cauliflower, a great source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber. Cauliflower also contains compounds that help neutralize toxins in the body. 4. Garlic. Garlic is great for adding flavor without adding sodium. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and helps lower cholesterol. 5. Onions. Onions are low in potassium and rich in flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. 6. Cranberries. Cranberries help prevent urinary tract infections and are low in potassium and sodium, making them a good fruit choice. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries high in antioxidants and low in potassium. Blueberries are excellent for protecting against inflammation. 8. Strawberries is rich in antioxidants and fiber. Strawberries support heart health and are low in potassium. 9. Raspberries. Raspberries are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and manganese. They have anti-inflammatory properties and are kidney-friendly. 10. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds. They are also low in potassium. 11. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. They are also low in potassium. 12. Red grapes contain flavonoids, which can reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. 13. Egg whites. It provide high-quality protein with less phosphorus than other protein sources, making them ideal for kidney disease patients. 14. Fish, low in phosphorus. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation. However, it's important to choose fish low in phosphorus. 15. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of fat and is free of sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. It's great for cooking and dressing salads. Important considerations. Consultation. Always consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have kidney disease. Dietary needs can vary depending on the stage of kidney disease, blood test results, and other health conditions. Even kidney-friendly foods should be consumed in moderation. Focusing on these foods can help manage kidney disease and maintain overall health. Like and subscribe my channel for more health awareness.